Matter of Morales, which came out during the FBA conference where there were BIA members at it, which was amusing to me. Matter of Morales, Mr. Morales didn't win, but it created a decent life preserver for the non-citizen bar, and that is that no longer is the 30-day appeal deadline for BIA appeals jurisdictional. It's now a claims processing rule, because everything's a claims processing rule now.
What does that
And
all
that
mean?
means
Okay.
what it means is that it can be equitably tolled, which means if you miss your 30-day filing deadline to get in your notice of appeal to the BIA, you have hope. Now, it's still rough. Still got to establish equitable tolling. You still have to establish due diligence, even if you're 1 day late. And it looks like, based on this Morales decision, that they're going to start talking about equitable tolling, whether you exercise due diligence from day one, not from, day 25. In this case, for example, Mr. Morales hired his attorneys like just before the filing deadline. And so the due diligence clock started not when the attorneys were hired, but from the IJ's decision, because the focus is on the non-citizen. So it's still difficult to establish equitable tolling. But it used to be the case that if you were even 1 day late, you had nothing. You just had to beg the BIA to certify it to itself. Now you have an argument. Now you have the ability for the BIA to exercise equitable tolling and accept your late filed notice of appeal, so long as you can establish that there was due diligence and that some extraordinary circumstance got in your way. Now, Morales, they didn't use overnight shipping by mistake like they usually do, and I guess some assistant or the attorney used regular mail just by accident. No, I mean, it's terrible, right? And even that is not extraordinary, which, I mean, come on, like,
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
I can understand the due diligence holding by the board. Fine, I'll accept it. Like, the clock starts on day 0, not on day 25. I'll accept that, but like, come on, attorney made a mistake, his staff made a mistake. It's an exceptional circumstance, I would think, but not to the board of Morales. Either way, equitable tolling still applies. And there's still hope. Not recommending to miss your appeal deadline. Still use Ben Winograd or any of the other same-day services to file your appeals timely, but it's always good to have a standard, something to argue. Morales.